So I'm starting off by priming my face using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer, which honestly does absolutely nothing for your pores. But it does make your skin feel really soft and smooth, and it makes the foundation glide on a lot better onto the dry, crusty, dehydrated surface that I call my skin. For foundation, I'm using the Revlon Colorstay 24-Hour Foundation, and I just dab away until I look somewhat even colored. I'm then applying some concealers to any areas that I want to highlight or conceal using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Fair. To set my foundation and concealer, I use a powder foundation to get a ton more extra coverage, just to make sure that them pimples ain't peeking through anytime soon, okay? And to salvage the fact that my face is looking as flat as a sheet of paper, I'm taking my Makeup Geek contour pen in Half-Hearted, which is way too dark and warm for me since I got it for when I have a tan. But I feel like if you use a light enough hand, you can get away with most things. Or at least that's what I'm telling myself. Today's brows are courtesy of Colourpop's brow pencil in Bangin Brunette. I normally never fill in my brows using a pencil, and I honestly just got this because of the name. Like, who wouldn't want to be a banging brunette? Asking for a friend. And then I grab my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel to set my now banging brows. I then take my NYX Wonder Pencil just to sharpen the edges of the brows to keep them looking nice and clean. And on top of the Wonder Pencil, I go in with Makeup Geek's eyeshadow in Mirage to set it and to give a nice, subtle highlight. So for the eye look, I start off by applying Latte by Makeup Geek, which is a warm mid-tone brown throughout the crease as the transition color. I then take this gorgeous foiled eyeshadow in the shade Mesmerized, and I put that all over my entire eyelid up to the crease, where I then blend it out into the transition shade. To deepen up the outer V and to smoke out the lower lash line, I use the shade Wild West, which is pretty similar to Latte, which I used in the crease, but a bit deeper and darker. To make the eye look more intense, I go in with a black eyeliner and line all around the eye and in the waterline. And since a lot of darkness in the waterline can feel like it makes the eyes look smaller, take a black eyeshadow to blend out the eyeliner. And I make sure to blend it outwards at the lower and upper lash line and to wing it out a bit at the end of the eye to make sure that it widens and elongates the eyes. And then I clump on a good amount of mascara on both the upper and lower lashes before putting on my false lashes. For lashes, I'm using the Ardell Glamour lashes in number 113, which are my new faves. I've seriously worn them pretty much every day for the past, I don't even know how many months, but like many. They're so cute. And for bronzer, I'm using this one by Isadora, which is very dark for my complexion. 10 out of 10 would not recommend if you are pasty like me, but otherwise it's great. I then line my lips using Nude Beauty Lip Liner by Makeup Store, which is just a nude beauty. I'm so lame, I'm sorry. And the lipstick I'll be using is the gorgeous Colourpop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in Midi. And for highlighter, I'm using the Wonder Powder by Makeup Store in the shade Sahara, which is a beautiful glowy mineral powder which looks really natural and sits beautifully on the skin. So that completes the look. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!